This is my 1950s General Electric quiet blade table fan. The color is an ice gray. I got it at my local thrift store. Very nice 50s look on the back. It's in decent shape. The only thing is the nameplate right here rattles. And the knob here is missing, so the fan's stuck on the oscillate setting. So it's stuck oscillating. Has a 1-speed push button here, and I'll show it running. And yes, this fan has a replaced cord on it. There's a General Electric print on it. If you look in the back here, you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the windings are nice and clean. And the rotor has little fins on it, so it works like a fan when it's on, to kind of move the air around inside the motor to reduce the chances of overheating. And I will get a close-up startup sound for you. Sounds a lot like some of the GE box fans. Has a wing nut on the bottom of the base to adjust the height of the fan. Have it that low, or set it down low and have it blow up on you, whichever you want. Nice little fan to have around. Blows a lot of air for its size, and it operates very quietly for the air it moves. Not to mention that it's called the quiet blade. Hope you like that.